Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're talking about more on the taxation series of videos that we've created. Now this one is on customs duty, and this is a simplified explanation, so you just get the snapshot, you get the main pieces, so you have the understanding before you go about going for your entrepreneurship journey and business setup within Dubai. Now, customs duty is a tax which is imposed on the goods imported into Dubai. You'll be doing a lot of importation if you're doing that sort of business, and the standard rate is 5%. And this is basically on the cost of the thing that you're paying, the insurance which is applied, and the freight that you're doing. So this is called CIF value of the imported goods. We'll go through an example so you know what's going on here exactly. But this can vary depending on the product type and the trade agreements between countries. We're going to go through an example so you understand this, and we'll make it very simple. Now, how is customs duty calculated? Now, it's usually calculated in the following sense. So if you have a pen and paper, you can write this down. Customs duty equals the CIF value, CIF value, times that by the duty rate. That's it. So CIF is basically cost of the goods that you're buying, plus the insurance, plus the shipping cost, which is the freight cost, okay? And the duty rate is 5% for some goods, but it can be higher or lower for certain other goods as well. So let's go into an example so you know exactly what's going on here. Okay, so let's say a company is importing electronics worth of 100,000 dirhams. Okay, typical example, and they've paid 5,000 dirhams of insurance for these electronics, and they've got 10,000 dirhams of freight cost, the shipping cost. So the CIF value here is 100,000 dirhams plus the 5,000 dirhams plus the 10,000 dirhams, which gives you 115,000 dirhams at the end of the day. So the customs duty is 5%, so it's basically 115,000 dirhams, which is the CIF value, times up by 5%, which is around about 5,750 dirhams. So the importer who's importing, if you are the importer in this case, must pay 5,750 dirhams as customs duty tax. Okay, that's it. That's pretty much it. And I want to talk about some rates on different goods. Most imported goods are around about 5%. Tobacco products, 100%, quite hefty. Alcohol, 50%. Perfumes, cosmetics, 5%, electronic goods, 5% as we covered there, luxury cars, 5%, plus the VAT, which was the 5% we spoke about in the previous video. Gold jewelry within limits, 0% for personal use. Books and educational materials, 0%, okay? And some goods are exempt for customs duty, such as personal belongings within a set limit. Goods imported into the UAE free zones, if sold within the free zone. Free zones have a lot of benefits if you're doing sort of importation. And also goods from the GCC countries, if 40% of the value is locally sourced. So it depends on that, okay? Now, there are free zones that give you many benefits in this. So let's say you set up a importation business within a Dubai free zone, such as JAFZA or DMMC or DAFZA. They're all duty free, and they stay within the zone. So if you import goods into this, it's duty free as long as the goods stay within the zone. But you know, if the goods are re-exported or they're sold from that free zone into another, then the custom duty applies. Okay, so just strategically think what you're trying to do within your free zone, and that's pretty much it. And the process is very simple. If you want to register and import for this, steps for importing the goods, obviously register of Dubai Customs, submit the import declaration for the Dubai Trade portal, pay the custom duties, goods inspections, clearance, and delivery to the final destination. That's your typical process that you go through, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, the free zones, it's important to mention here that free zones in this topic comes up a lot. you can't get away from this topic because it's a designated area within Dubai where businesses can enjoy the tax benefits. That's why they're there. Customs duty exemptions also apply here, and it's full 100% foreign ownership. Each free zone is managed by its own authority. And I've met these authorities before. I know who they are. I know even the individuals that are managing this. And the major benefits of the free zones is that 0% customs duty on imports within the free zone, no VAT on the exports outside of the UAE, so no VAT on 5% on exports outside of UAE. So if you're doing something, importing and exporting, could be something lucrative here. Full foreign ownership, 100% repatriation of profits and capital, and it's a simplified trade process. And now, that's exporting. Now, let's say, what happens if you sell to the mainland, right? UAE market. So if a free zone company sells goods to a UAE mainland company or business, well, the buyer must pay 5% customs duty on the CIF value of the goods, 5% VAT on the final sale price, so 5% VAT, 5% customs duty. So the mainland business must be VAT registered and comply with FTA regulations. So here's a very simple example just to make sure you guys understand what's going on. So a free zone company imports electronics of 50,000 dirhams. It sells them to the mainland UAE retailer. Very common scenario. So the customs duty is 5%, which is 2,500 dirhams paid by the retailer. And then VAT is, so it's added here now. It's 52,500. So add the 50,000 plus the customs duty to give you the 52,500, times up by 5%. It's 2,625 paid by the retailer. So that's what's going on in there. Okay, and that's it. Summary: free zone imports, no customs duty. Re-exports from free zones, no customs duty. Sales to the mainland, 5%. And free zone to free zone trade, no customs duty. And that's it. That's customs duty covered. You just need to understand the picture here. Just need to know what's going on internationally and what's going on the mainland. Just special considerations. And I've given you guys most of the formulas there. You have the bigger picture here. And if you need support, drop me a message and we can fully support you. And if you're looking to invest in properties, drop me a message. If you're looking to set up a trade license, get yourself set up a business in Dubai, drop me a message. If you want to file your corporate tax returns or anything, drop me a message. We have a fully qualified team here that simplifies these videos that I'm publishing. And if you want to set up visas, sponsorships for your loved ones or for your family, drop me a message. We can fully support you on this. And in general, if you're looking for business consultation, how to get ready and set up within Dubai and geared for success, drop me a message. We're here to support you guys on everything. And so if you want to contact me, my WhatsApp details is in the link in the description below. Click that and get into a conversation and let's help you. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below and click the bell icon so you're notified of my videos I'm publishing on a daily basis. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.